How would you like to win some amazing skincare products from some of your favorite brands? Brands that I've tested out since the spring. Well, I'm gonna tell you how to do that in this video. Hey everybody, welcome back to Skincare with Chris Gibson. If you're not familiar with me, I am Chris, a skincare expert, and I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not into your wallet, and not do more harm than good. So if that's your thing, be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Otherwise, you won't know when these videos are up each week. All right, so it's September, it's fall, my favorite time of year. It's finally cooling off in Florida. It's been hot as hell here this summer. So I'm really looking forward to that. But more so, you see this giant wall of skincare behind me with all these products. Really great products from places like The Ordinary, Boldnine, Tiege, Hanley, Olay, you name it. I've got a lot of products back there and they are all up for grabs in this skincare giveaway this fall. Biggest one I've done so far. I'm really excited about doing it. The rules are very easy. I will put a link down in the video description box for you to go and check them out on my blog. My blog is interactive, so if you haven't signed up over there, it's free, do so. It's a really great place where people talk to each other and help each other out with skincare. And we run these contests and we give away just tons of stuff. So it's a way of saying thank you guys, because you've made the channel really grow this year. We're almost to 11,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing, and I really want to give back to you because I know how tough it's been with this COVID stuff. People have been locked in their homes. Some people are getting locked back in their homes. People's budgets are tight. Anything I can do to make skincare more fun and more inexpensive, I'm all for it. So some of the things you definitely need to know is that the contest starts today on September the 15th. It's a Tuesday, and then it ends on September 30th. And then we will draw 3 names. So there'll be 3 winners instead of just 1. And those 3 people get to pick what they want from the product list on the blog. And it's things like niacinamide from The Ordinary, the peel solution from The Ordinary, pretty much any product from The Ordinary you'll be able to choose. Also, the new Olay Serum series is up for grabs, Neutrogena's Hydro Boost products. I even have dedicated guy skincare products from Tiege, Hanley and Boldnine, Shave While You Wash face wash. Just tons of stuff, including some of my own signature formulation products from Clear Revolution Skincare, including that wonderful spot treater. That's up for grabs as well. Also, not to leave out skin nutrition, which is super important to me, I have some really great products I'm giving away from Anirva, and that includes supplements to help you with acne, sun damage, and even sun protection. So there's some really great products from those guys. I also have some new skincare products that I'm testing with CBD oil in them. So really this huge range of products that you can choose from if you win. And again, it's easy. All you have to do is follow the instructions on the blog and in the video description box below. One other thing I want to add is this contest is run by me and on my blog, Skin So Fabulous. This has nothing to do with YouTube. They don't have anything to do with this. So you can see eligibility requirements and all of those disclaimers down below in the video description box. Be sure that you do this because it's such an easy way to win skincare and for me to give back to you guys. And the things I ask you to do in the contest are super easy peasy. Ask the people who've won before. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, stay beautiful, and I will see you over on the next video.